Welcome to HGN Steno classes dictation start. So many teachers teach us we may respect all of them, but it is not necessary that we like them also. It is but natural to have a particular liking for a certain teacher. I have liked my physics teacher most paragraph. That physics teacher is a master of his subject and has a clear idea of the topics he is teaching. Full stop. He does not believe in making a show of his knowledge and does not teach above the heads of the students. Full stop. He teaches beautifully. Then he has so many homely examples to give almost on every point. Though he teaches a subject like physics, yet it appears as if he were teaching a novel. He is punctual and regular. He teaches regularly and tests regularly, and that is why his results are very brilliant every year. Paragraph. He knows everything about something and something about everything. Of course, he is through in his knowledge of physics, but at the same time, he has a good knowledge of many other subjects also, and it all is always up to the mark in the current topics. Many times, when the students are not in a mood to study, he gives them a lecture on some journal subject. Paragraph. He is very friendly with the student, though he is a great disciplinary also. He never punishes the student but makes them feel ashamed if they have done something wrong. Full stop. He commands love and respect without being strict. Para. He keeps as keen eye on the activities of the students. Only the other day he happened to hear a student abusing a man in a vulgar way in the bazaar. The next day he called him and warned him against these bad habits. He knows not only where a student stands in studies but also where a student stands in a character and behavior. Paragraph. He is ready to help the student both in and out of the class. His help is not limited to studies. He helps the students in their private problems also. So students have so much confidence in him that they would tell even their most secret things to him and seek his guidance. Para clause.